Good morning, Robbie Sampson with Unger window washing program here at Hill & Marks in Amsterdam, New York, demonstrating our whole window cleaning system that allows an operator to clean from the ground without ladders, chemical free, just with water and a brush, and to keep people off of ladders and lift trucks, and no damage to vegetation. Water comes out of your garden hose. The filtering system removes any minerals, and once we activate the water, I'm going to demonstrate how to clean from the ground up. As you go up, you just use the extension on the pole to go to the next level, and stop when you see the red straight stop strip on the pole, lock it in, back away from the building, and go to the next level. Multiple poles that can go from 20 feet all the way up to 65 feet from the ground. Feel free to call Hill & Marks at any time to get a demonstration.